Hello guys, in today's video, Cubot's flagship grade rugged tablet, the best you can buy for your money, comes with 10.95-inch 2K FHD Plus excellent screen, a simply massive 20,400 mAh battery with up to 60 GB RAM, and the currently best 4G processor Helio G99, designed as a part of military equipment. If you want to know more, stay tuned to discover why the Cubot Tab KingKong 2 is the best 4G rugged tablet of the year. The Cubot Tab KingKong 2 comes in this black box that shows its appearance, and we will now take a peek and see what inside the box except our tablet. So we have a quick start guide for our tablet along with other paperwork. Here is USB Type-C charging cable, 33-watt fast charger. So we also have this leather hand holder which we install with the scribbles and hooks. There is also a small bag where we also have a finder screwdriver and the hooks for this device through which the strap goes. We also have this long shoulder strap that serves to make it easier to carry out the tablet over the shoulder. Okay, that was contents of this sales package. Now it's time to move on to our tablet. Cubot Tab KingKong 2 looks like a ruggedized tablet should look, brutal, massive and very reliable. This tablet provides a feeling of solidity and security as soon as you hold it in your hand. The case is made of high quality materials with the rubberized edges, which additionally protects the device from shocks and falls. This perforated metal plate with the Cubot logo in the middle looks really strong as part of some military equipment. Special features: the most interesting and impressive thing here is this metal build handle that easily turns into a stand, allowing practical use of this device in different situations, so it can be useful as a surface stand or carrying handle. What can I say? See for yourself how this tablet looks brutal, really impressive. Now let's take a look at the other features such as the buttons and ports. So on the top side of the tablet we have this power button as well as these two volume buttons. On the same side, under the rubber cover, there is a SIM card tray in which we can have two nano SIM cards or the option of one SIM and one memory card of up to 1 TB. Here we have this red programmable button here which can be personalized to execute various functions with the tablet or compatible applications or any other function in this tablet. This button can be activated with a single click, double click or long press, so this one button has three functions. A little above we can see these speaker grills. We have the same ones on the opposite side, so we have a total of two speakers that give us powerful and loud stereo hi-fi sound, great for listening to music or playing video games. From the front, the tablet has a stunning 10.95-inch 2K FHD Plus display with the rather massive bezels, but this is understandable for a ruggedized device. Thanks to the large bezels, the tablet is a more comfortable hold in your hand without fear of touching the display with your fingers. Above the screen you can see the front camera and the light sensor near it. A nice bonus is that the display comes with a protective film. Excellent 32 megapixel camera will help you stay in touch with your loved ones in a HD resolution, which will perfectly handle all your video calls and meetings. This screen provides a clear and a sharp image, ideal for viewing documents, watching movies or surfing the internet. Thanks to the IPS technology, the screen offers wide viewing angles, which means that colors and contrast will remain constant no matter what angle you are viewing from. This makes it perfect for outdoor use or for sharing content with colleagues or friends. One of the key advantages of this screen is Panda glass protection, known for its high resistance to scratches and impacts. This addition ensures long-lasting durability and reliability even in demanding conditions. The 16:10 aspect ratio is perfect suited for various purposes from productivity such as browsing spreadsheets or reading to entertainment, where it allows you to enjoy movies with the black bars on the sides, while the brightness adjusts to various environments, allowing good visibility even under direct sunlight. All these features make the Cubot Tab KingKong 2 an ideal choice for those looking for a reliable device with a quality screen, regardless of whether they use it for work, adventures or everyday use. So let's not forget the rugged nature of the tablet. This isn't just a delicate piece of glass, it's built to endure. The screen is fortified to withstand the challenges of the real world, whether it is accidental drops, rough handling or exposure to the elements. Okay, now let's go to the back of the tablet again, and as I already said, as you can see, there is another unavoidable detail, and that is this camera with the LED flash that is integrated into the rear metal plate with the reinforced frame, which reduces the possibility of damage during impacts or falls, which is especially important in harsh conditions. The Cubot Tab KingKong 2 comes with impressive 64 megapixel rear camera, which is a rarity in the world of the rugged tablets. This camera uses face detection autofocus technology, allowing you for fast and precise focusing even in dynamic situations. The camera is designed to deliver quality photos even in variety of lighting conditions. In addition to taking photos, the camera supports 2K video recording at 30 frames per second, which is enough to create smooth and high quality videos, something that is rare in the tablet market, at least among those I tested. Now, to get a feel for the camera performance, it's best to check out a few photo and video samples that we took using our 64 megapixel camera, so let's take a look. The heart of this tablet is the MediaTek Helio G99, a powerful octa-core processor which is built on a 6nm process. This chipset uses two high-performance Cortex R76 cores, clock at 2.2 GHz for intensive tasks, while 6 energy-efficient Cortex R55 cores at 2.0 GHz ensure optimal power consumption during every use. The Helio G99 is known for its power efficiently, making it ideal for devices with long-lasting batteries like this one. Combined with the Mali G57 MC2 GPU, the device offers a smooth experience in games, multimedia content playback, and demanding applications. It effortlessly handles the most demanding games available on the Google Play Store. Furthermore, the Tab KingKong 2 houses a really massive battery in a world of tablets, 20,400 mAh battery guaranteeing hours and hours of uninterrupted gaming pleasure, enables more than 100 days of standby. So if you are a passionate gamer who enjoys playing the latest titles, the Tab KingKong 2 is definitely a device worth considering for its exceptional performance and the gaming capabilities. And when the battery is empty, 33W fast charging that ensures you're back in action in no time. In situations where other devices need a boost, reverse charging transforms this powerhouse into a portable charger. Tab KingKong 2 comes with 8GB of physical RAM, which ensures fast switching between applications. Additionally, the device uses RAM expansion technology that adds another 8GB of retro RAM, providing a total of 16GB of RAM for seamless multitasking. The tablet is equipped with 256GB of internal storage, which is more than enough for store applications, photos, videos and documents. If you need still more space, the storage can be exposed via the microSD card up to 1TB. The tablet comes with the latest Android 14 operating system, which brings a host of improvements in performance, security and intuitive user interface. Some other features include optimized multitasking, perfect for the large screen, advanced security features including better privacy protection, improved support for applications on the tablet, allowing better use of the large screen. The system is lightweight and customizable, somehow Spartan, which means that there is absolutely no unnecessary bloatware except the basic Google applications. All this allows users to make the most of device hardware capabilities. Connectivity is provided via dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.2 and USB Type-C with the OTG functionality. The device also includes sensors such as the accelerometer, gyroscope and compass, providing additional functionality for various applications and services. It also offers the advanced satellite navigation system that ensures precise positioning in all conditions. It supports global systems such as GPS, GLONASS, Galileo and Beidou, enabling a stable and reliable signal even in the challenging areas such as the mountains, forests or urban areas. The tablet also stands out for its superior resistance. Designed for the most demanding conditions with IP68 and IP69K certifications, the tablet is completely dust-proof and can withstand immersion in water up to 1.5 meters deep for 30 minutes. In addition, the device is certified according to the military STD-810H standard, which confirms its ability to withstand drops, vibrations and extreme temperatures from heat to freezing cold. Cubot Tab KingKong 2 is a premium rugged tablet that combines impressive performance, durability and practicality with a large 10.95-inch 2K screen, a powerful Helio G99 processor and a huge 20,400 mAh battery. An impressive design with resistance according to the military standards. This device is perfect for work, adventures and everyday use. If you are looking for a tablet that can handle any challenge, now is the time to buy. The sales links are below this video. Take advantage of the promotional price and get the Cubot Tab KingKong 2 today via the promotional list. Thanks for looking this review. If you like it, please like a video, subscribe to the channel and leave a comment. See you soon in the next video review. Until then, bye.